Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add text behind a video in Capcut. So without any further ado, let's get into it. At first, open the Capcut app and from here, create a new project or edit your existing project. I'll go with my existing project. Now here you can see I have a video here. Now what I'm going to do is duplicate this video. Clicking here on duplicate, and now select the duplicated video and make it a overlay video. To do that, scroll to the menu until you see a overlay option. Click on it. Now take the video and align with the main video. Once you align the video, now what you can do is select the overlay video and click on remove background option. From here, click on custom removal and click on brush to select the area that you don't want to erase. Here I'll select the object that I don't want to erase. So this is that I don't want to erase. Now once you're happy with your selection, click here to save changes. And now you have to add the text. To do that, go back and here select text, click on it. Now add the text, choose your style from here, font from here. Once you're happy with your created text, click here to save changes. Now since we want to add the text behind the video, what we can do is select the text and scroll all the way right, and you can see the option layers. Click on it. Now select the text and make it behind the overlay, and now click here to save changes. And as you can see, our text is behind our video. And to make it a bit interesting, what you can do is use the keyframes. Make a keyframe here and one on here and drag it to one side. You can also resize it. And now if we play the video, it will look like this. And just like that, we can add text behind the video in Capcut. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this.